In this video lecture, we will be seeing Matplotlib image and annotations. The image module in Matplotlib package provides functionalities required for loading, rescaling, and displaying image. It only supports PNG images. IamRead function is used to read image, and IamShow function is used to display image. So let's display an image. For that, I require import matplotlib dot pyplot as plot. Also require import matplotlib dot image module. I'm importing as MING. So let's read an image first. So image object equal to MING dot IamRead, and I'm giving location of that image. So it's d colon python dot png. So now this function will return image as ND-array object, and let's display it. So plot dot IamShow img. So let's see the output. So this is my image. If you see this part, there is access values given. So I can just have plot dot axis off. Let's see what we get. Now this is the image that we got without these values. Annotation is a comment added to text or diagram to explain it. Matplotlib provides a function annotate. To do this, the parameters are, the first parameter is the text that you ought to add. Second is XY, the position of the text. And then you also have to give the position where the arrow will point. Let's try to annotate a plot. So I'm having import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. I also require numpy to create a data. So I'm creating numpy as np. So let's create a figure and axis first. We'll have to use it equal to, by using a function subplots. So let's create a data x equal to np dot arrange. Arrange function will give me uniformly distributed data between start and end with interval 0, 0, 1. So let's have y here. So y equal to np dot cost function. You can give anything here. So I'm giving 3 into np dot pi into x. And let's try to plot it. So ax dot plot x comma y. So I'm trying to plot x comma y here. So let's see what output we get. So this is the output that we have got. So let's try to annotate on this. So I'm writing ax dot annotate is a function. What it takes first is what is the comment that we want to print. So I'm giving maxima a comment. This comment will be printed for which point. So let's see the point. So if you see this, you can take any point, but here I am taking x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So for this point, xy equal to 2 comma 1. So at this point I will be commenting. Then where to print the text? So xy text equal to 3 comma 3. My text will be here at this position and my arrow will point to this location. Now I require an arrow. So I am using arrow props equal to, it's a dictionary where I give face color equal to blue. So we'll have blue color arrow and string equal to 0.5. So this creates a complete dictionary. This completes the entire array. So let's check it, what answer we get first. and then we'll go for further things. So this is what I've got. If you see this, my arrow points to this location 2 comma 1, and at this location I have local maxima, but it goes outside the limits of this plot. So let's put it inside limits. So because you are given a 3.3, I have to set limits here. So ax dot set y limit. I'm giving, I'll be extending y axis here. So I'm making that y axis from -4 to 4. Let's see the output. So this is my output now, because my y axis is extended. So it is now -4 to 4. So it fits inside. But this arrow is somewhat short, right? So let's make it full. So here I'm making string equal to 1. So this is my final plot.